Trucking.com news channel brings to you a breaking story. Tonight's story? Trucking companies implement a hot new innovative idea for long combination vehicle drivers. Ontario's Ministry of Transportation has just announced legal, year-round operation of LCVs on its busiest highway, the 401 corridor. Currently, Manitoba, Saskatchewan, and Alberta already allow year-round operation of LCVs. With their wide road shoulders, these provinces are better suited for emergency, unplanned stops for LCVs. However, Ontario has had unique problems involving the use of LCVs on our highways.
It takes a long time to get by one of these things.
Truckers are known to drink excessive amounts of coffee on the job and thus need to make frequent stops to go 10-100. Ontario's 401 highway has very few areas where the shoulders are wide, flat, and stable enough to support the parking of an LCV unit when nature calls. It's also difficult, especially in the winter, with the shoulders being covered in snow, to determine how wide and safe the shoulders are. In order to continue maximizing their profits with this introduction of year-round operation, many of the large trucking companies operating long combination vehicles have now begun issuing supplies of adult diapers to their LCV drivers. Being touted as part of the identifiable uniform for the modern Canadian truck driver, these full-size adult diapers will allow complete relief for the LCV drivers without loss of driving time and productivity to keep the freight moving. Industry officials of the province have agreed and concurred that this is the kind of innovative, progressive concept much needed for growth and progression in the Ontario trucking industry. We interviewed one 40-plus years driver about the new adult diaper uniform and the new rule to allow LCVs on the 401 all year long.
Well, as far as the depends are concerned, I think it's probably a good idea. Because once those long buggers start to slide and jackknife on the ice, the driver will probably fill his shorts anyway.
And there you have it, folks. And remember, you heard it first on smarttrucking.com news.